Hey guys, if you want to turn off your mic, the easiest way to do that, here, your Xbox button. Press your Xbox button, then go into your second option. You're gonna see mic on. Just tap on it with A, it's gonna be off. So that's the quick way to do it. And then to turn it on, let's say you're not in there. So to turn on your mic, go into the Xbox button, second option, and then right here, you're gonna see it's off. Just tap on it, and it's on again. Volume-wise, you guys could control it from here. But anyways, that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.